This video abstract, titled Youth Sport Coach Reports of Emotional Intelligence, Coaching Efficacy, and Teammate Bullying Behavior, is presented for the North American Society for the Psychology of Sport and Physical Activity 2020 Virtual Conference.
Youth sport coaches play an important role in managing the behavior of their youth athletes. Previous research has employed the conceptual model of coach efficacy that is useful to better understand how coaches influence athlete behavior. Coaches with greater emotional intelligence have shown to be more efficacious, and this can lead to more prosocial and less antisocial behavior. Greater emotional intelligence and coaching efficacy may enhance a coach's ability to detect antisocial behaviors, deter them, and guide personal development of youth athletes. Unfortunately, there's very little empirical evidence on how this may work for antisocial behaviors such as peer victimization. Peer victimization can come in the form of physical, social, verbal, or damage to personal property, and is associated with a host of maladaptive developmental outcomes. Thus, the purpose of this study was to assess how coach-reported emotional intelligence and efficacy beliefs influence teammate victimization. 191 youth sport coaches provided informed consent and completed established measures of study variables via an online survey. Coaches represented 15 different youth sports with ages of youth sport participants ranging from 6 to 17 years old. Data were analyzed with regression analyses using Andrew Hayes' process macro and SPSS. For results, displayed is the mediational model with all significant paths from the model depicted with unstandardized coefficients and their 95% bootstrapped confidence intervals. Emotional intelligence positively predicted all 5 coach efficacy beliefs and negatively predicted verbal victimization. There is no evidence of mediation for any of the coach efficacy beliefs to explain the emotional intelligence with verbal victimization association. Results show that more emotionally intelligent coaches report fewer instances of peer verbal victimization, and that coach efficacy beliefs appear to be unrelated to reporting peer victimization on youth sport teams. Some practical implications for youth sport coaches include educating them on the importance of emotional intelligence to facilitate greater coaching efficacy and possibly to deter verbal victimization. Future research should consider assessing additional components of coaching efficacy to handle antisocial behavior, as this would offer a more complete picture of the coaching experience. Second, future research should also consider how youth athlete reports of peer victimization match up with the coach's reports, as youth athlete reports may be a more proximal and stronger predictor of ill-being. We would like to thank the coaches for participating, the Rutgers Youth Sports Research Council, the NASPA community, and you for taking the time to watch our video presentation. Thank you.